For making papad, the ingredients are urad flour, baking soda, salt, water and sesame oil. I took here 1 cup of urad flour and half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt and only 10 teaspoon of water and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. The dough should be very stiff. It should not be even like a puri dough. It should be more stiffer than puri dough. It should be so harder. Later on we have to knead it so into a smooth consistency. It should get softer, so until it gets softer you have to keep beating it with this kind of spoon or any kind of spoon. You have to fold it and keep beating it for 12 to 18 times. You have to mash it in this way, like cream-like consistency, so it gets softer and softer. Now we have to roll this up into a dough and then squeeze it multiple times and then let's roll it into a snake-like shape. ये dough पतले होते जाना है like a snake until it gets thinner. You roll it so thin so that it get into any shape without breaking, and let's cut it into multiple pieces. So with 1 cup of urad flour and little bit of baking soda and salt, we got 28 papad. Now we should roll it into papad with a chapati roller with the help of maida for dusting. To get the papad so thin, you have to roll it until it gets so thin like a paper. It's almost like a paper. So you have to roll it until paper-like thin consistency. Light and thin like a paper. We can even make shape out of it. We have to put it under the sun for 5 minutes. We have to flip it and dry it again for other 5 to 10 minutes. Papad in this plate started to get dry. It's drying already. You have to flip it and everything. Our papads are dried out in the sun. Now we are ready to fry it in the pan, in the kadai. The oil is very hot now. We have to slide the papad into the oil and flip it both sides. You get bubbles in the papad by adding baking soda. So this is papad, not appalam. Appalam don't have this kind of air bubbles. It won't blow like this, like a balloon. Yummy bubble like papad. Made by Amma. This papad is made for Boo Boo Rayansh. He loves papad. So we made this for Boo Boo. And monkeys. This is for you. Yum. Yummy. Oh no, Bobatu.